Today's the day, friends. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make my go-to green smoothie. Welcome, I'm Heather, and I've been making green smoothies for a long time, probably 10 years. And it's funny, like 10 years ago when the world started making green smoothies, it was like a shocker. Like, you're drinking that thing and it tastes good, but honestly, all you're doing is making a regular smoothie and adding a little bit of spinach in. And most of the time I add so much more extra goodness in, but this recipe that I'm gonna share with you guys was my OG, my go-to green smoothie, because it's so delicious and really approachable. It's basically a peanut butter banana smoothie, and we're just adding spinach in. So I wanted to introduce this to you in case green smoothies are something that you're new to, or you're really wanting to get your kids on board with just sipping up some green goodness, because I'm all about adding more goodness in, and why not when we can just easily throw some spinach in, and you're gonna see just how easy it is to come together. So let's make this recipe. Minimal ingredients, beautiful color, and so good. Let me know if you try this smoothie recipe, and if you share it with maybe some kids, maybe a spouse, maybe a parent, and what they think. I want to hear all about it. Tell me the good, tell me the bad. I can take it all. Leave a comment down below, put a thumbs up on this video, and subscribe so that you're not missing out on all our tasty goodness coming your way. See you later.